Hello. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಬಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
Good morning, ma'am.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Good morning, ma'am.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to ask questions on rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. If students, are you looking the questions?
Ma'am, option B, sunlight and rain.
Okay. Which of the following is responsible for the continuous heating and cooling of rocks that finally forms soil? You know how the soil is formed? Soil is formed by the rocks. The formation of soil is due to the heat and cooling of breaking down of rocks. Right? Here, what is the correct answer is sunlight and rain. Amit?
Hello, ma'am.
See the
Option B,
option B.
sunlight and rain.
Okay. Sunlight and rain. I'll see the option. Option B, sunlight means heating, rain means cooling, right? Cause heating and cooling of rocks, which by weathering gives rise to soil. Next, you see this rock. Which of the following rocks is a sedimentary rock? In this, which one is sedimentary rock, student? Yes.
Ma'am, option A. Ma'am, option A. Ma'am, option A. Ma'am, option A1.
See the option. Option A. Sedimentary rocks have fossils in them because along with bits of rocks, animal and plant remains also get trapped during the rock formation. So what is this sedimentary rock? Which one is A1? The diagram shows the different layer of a sedimentary rock fossils which contains some. Which layer contains the oldest is there? This is not there in your lesson. It is oldest fossils. You know that we have discussed about the fossil fuels. Okay. It has the diagram shows the different layer of a sedimentary rock fossils which contains some, which layer contains the oldest fossils. First, second, third, or fourth one? Which one is oldest fossils here? Tipanna, Aishwarya,
Ma'am, option D 4.
who is that? Who is telling the answer?
Ma'am, option D 4, ma'am.
Option D, 4. You know that there are 4 layers are there. The first layer is oldest layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. Fourth layer is down, almost down in the sea water. Okay, that will be the old layer, old fossil fuel. You see the answer. Okay, fourth one. Next, what causes rocks in a stream to become smooth? You know that the rocks becomes soil, we say that, isn't it? The soils become soil formation. So what is this? Because due to the weathering or water currents or earthquakes or movement of fish. Bhagyashree,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
Earthquake, ma'am. C1, ma'am.
C1. Spandana, Srujana,
Ma'am, B1, ma'am, water currents. Ma'am, B1.
do you know what is weathering, students? Weathering?
Weathering, ma'am. Ma'am, weather changing.
Weathering means it is not a weather. Weathering means, yes, Sanjana.
Ma'am, option A, weathering.
What is weathering, Sanjana? Yes. The formation of rocks into soil. Okay.
Yes.
It is weathering. Just we see the answer. Here, what is the answer is correct one is water currents. Water currents make rocks in a stream smooth. You know, some of the rivers will be seeing that smooth rocks, right? That is what water, due to the water currents. Now you see that fossil fuels are usually found in the atmosphere, below the ground, at the bottom of the ocean, and answer B and C. Fossil fuels are found in. Is it only C or B or first, second, like this, A, B, C, or B and C? Shreya?
B.
Huh?
Option B.
Option B. Yes. Sujana? Virendra?
Ma'am, option D. Ma'am, option D.
Option D.
Yes, ma'am.
Option B,
Okay.
below the ground.
We'll see the answer. Fossil fuels are usually found below the ground. So what are fossil fuels, students? Coal and petroleum. Right? Coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are found in the below the ground. Which of the following rock samples contains fossils is there? Fossils means it is like a coal, right? Which of the following rock samples contains fossils? Obsidian is there, pumice is there, granite is there, limestone is there. Virendra, Shalini,
D want answer, ma'am. D.
D.
Ma'am, option C.
Yes, ma'am.
Option C.
Granite.
Okay. Some of you are telling B and some of you are telling C. We'll see the answer. What is that? Our correct one is D. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. It contains fossils in them. So which is that sedimentary rock is there? No? That will be containing fossils in that. This you don't know. Next, lava cools to form. You know that lava cools to form. So when lava cools, what it forms? It forms as which stone, which rock?
Option A, igneous rocks.
Yes, Amit.
Igneous rock. Yes. Igneous rock, ma'am. Option A.
Ma'am, option A, igneous.
You see the option? Option A, igneous rock. Lava cools to form igneous rocks. Okay, next. Which of these can be mined from earth and used as an energy source? This, do you know anybody answer this? Otherwise, I'll go to other question if you don't have this. Yes, Shalini.
Ma'am, coal. Eighth one.
Which of these can be mined from earth and used as an energy source? Okay. Arpita,
Ma'am, option A. Coal.
coal. You know that we have a coal mine, right? So we dig the coal from the ground. Coal is a fossil fuel, so we use for many sources. Okay. Next one is granite is a hard material and forms from cooling magma. So granite is a type of lava stone or igneous rock or volcanic dust or sedimentary rock. Granite.
Ma'am, option B. Igneous rocks.
Yes, Alok.
Option B, igneous rocks.
Option B, igneous rock. Both of you are saying the same answer. Just check it. Okay, granite is a type of igneous rock. Next, here you see the picture, students. When comparing fossil A and fossil B, which of the statement is correct? You know that fossil A, fossil B. Where is the fossil A is? You see that? And fossil B is downside is there. Fossil A is upside is there. So fossil BA is older than A. Fossil A is older than B. Fossil B is metamorphic. Fossil B is a rock. Aishwarya,
Ma'am, fossil B is older than A.
fossil B is older than A? Amit? Yes, Amit?
Hello, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, option C.
Option C?
Ma'am, option C.
Option A, fossil B is older than fossil A. Next question is, pumice is formed when lava from volcano cools. Which type of rock pumice? Which type of rock is pumice? Gaseous, igneous, sedimentary, or metaphor? Supreet?
Igneous.
Igneous. Tipana? Yes, Tipana?
Igneous.
Igneous. Okay. I will see the answer. Pumice is an igneous rock. Next one. The given diagram shows the changes on the land caused by a river flowing through the area of many years. Which process causes a change on the surface? Is it condensation, erosion, evaporation, or pollution? You know that when rain falls heavily, the upper layer of the soil flows in the river, right? Here, which process causes the changes on the surface here? You can see the changes of the land surface. What we say that erosion, soil erosion, or condensation, evaporation, or pollution.
Ma'am, option B, erosion.
Option B, erosion. Yes. Sanjana.
Ma'am, option B. Option B, erosion, ma'am.
Option B, erosion.
Ma'am, option erosion.
Option B, soil erosion. ಭೂ ಕುಸಿತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂ ಕುಸಿತ or saveta, we say that the upper layer of the soil will be flowed in water. Next question is, which of the following are called building blocks of rocks? It looks like a building blocks of rocks. We call it as building blocks of rocks. Sand particles or minerals or pebbles or stones.
Ma'am, sand particles.
Ma'am, B1, minerals.
Minerals. Next. S. B1 and sand particles. Answer B. Minerals or the building blocks of rock. Here, which rock is not an igneous rock? Alok,
Hello, Miss. Ma'am, option C, slate.
which of the following is not an igneous rock, Alok?
Slate. Ma'am, option C, slate. Yes, ma'am.
Slate. I'll check the answer. Shreya, off the video. Don't on your videos. Okay, answer C, slate. Which of the following is a sedimentary rock? Yes.
Ma'am, option C, limestone.
Option C,
Limestone.
limestone. Arpita,
Ma'am, option C, limestone.
limestone. I see the answer. Okay, option rock. Eighteenth one. Which of the following is a fine-grained and glossy igneous rock? Which of the following is a fine-grained and glossy igneous rock? Virendra. Yes, Virendra, Bhagyashri. Which of the
Ma'am, option A, granite.
option A, granite. Yes, any other student?
Option A.
Hmm? Which one? Option A.
Yes, ma'am.
Obsidian is formed by the quick cooling of lava and so is fine-grained and glossy. Which of the following rocks is porous like a sponge? We said porous. Porous like a sponge. A sponge, we say no sponge. So like that this rock will be. Which is that sandstone or flat or conglomerate or pumice? Yes, Sanjana.
Ma'am, sandstone. Sandstone.
Sandstone. Okay. Next. Let's see the answer. Pumice is porous or full of holes. What is that? Pumice. It is not a sandstone. Which of the following rocks is made up of mica, quartz, and feldspar? Which of the rocks is made of mica, quartz, and feldspar? Amit, Shalini,
C1th answer, ma'am. Granite.
granite.
Yes.
C1 granite is the correct answer. Huh? Okay, we'll see that.
Ma'am, option C. Ma'am, option C.
Okay. Igneous rock like the granite contain mica, quartz, and feldspar. Three answer. Which of the following sedimentary rocks consists of pebbles and which of the following sedimentary rocks consists of pebbles and stones? Shale, sandstone, conglomerates, limestone. Which one in this? Aishwarya, Shalini.
Ma'am, option C, conglomerate.
Ma'am, option C, conglomerate.
Okay. Option C, conglomerate is having stones, consists of pebbles and stones. Next one, which of the following rocks is made of mineral calcite? Which of the following rocks is made of mineral calcite? Spandana, Sanjana. Yes, Spandana and Sanjana.
Ma'am, option D.
Option
D.
Ma'am, limestone.
Limestone, ma'am.
limestone. Spandana, you only told answer. Virendra,
Ma'am, option D, limestone.
option D, limestone is made of mineral calcium.
Calcite.
Okay. Next one is, which of the following rocks is formed by the metamorphosis of granite? Metamorphosis of granite. Aishwarya,
C, ma'am. Option B. Option B, gneiss.
gneiss. Option B. Okay, option B, gneiss is the correct answer. Next, the mother rock inside the earth is. Which is that mother rock? We call it as inside the earth. Do you know that? Mother rock. You can find it inside the earth. Mahesh? Yes, Mahesh?
Yeah, magma.
Magma. See the answer. Okay, C is magma. So the magma you can find in the inside the earth. The rocks formed when existing rocks change due to heat or pressure or due to the heat and pressure, these rocks are formed. Which rock these are? All sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, all of these. Chaitra?
Ma'am, igneous rock.
Igneous rock. Only igneous rock or all of these? Samat Matpati?
Sedimentary rock, ma'am. Option A.
See the answer. Here option C. What is the option C? Metamorphic rocks. The rocks formed from the deposits of sediments or these rocks are found by the sediments of deposits of sediments. Which are these igneous or sedimentary or metamorphic? All of this. Yes, Alok. Sanjana.
Option B, sedimentary rocks.
Option
Option B,
sedimentary rocks.
Option B, sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rock.
Next, igneous rocks are formed from cooled minerals, solid rock, cooled lava or magma, soft rock. Cooled minerals, solid rock, cooled lava or magma, soft rock. Sujana.
Option C,
cooled lava or magma.
Cooled lava or magma. Igneous rocks are found from. Okay, we'll see the answer. What is the answer is? Cooled lava or magma. Option C. Sandstone is a. What is sandstone? Is a brown colored rock, or red colored, black colored, or white color? Sanjana, Aishwarya, Sujana.
Ma'am,
Brown
color rock.
B, ma'am, red colored rock. Option B.
Sandstone is red color.
Ma'am, red.
Okay. B, sandstone is a red colored rock. Next, the rock used for making tiles and bricks is. The rock used for making tiles and bricks is. Which one you use for making tiles and bricks? Shiva Prasad, Spandana, Shubham.
Ma'am, sandstone, ma'am.
Stone.
Ma'am, stone. Ma'am, granite. Sandstone, ma'am.
You'll see the answers. All of you are telling that sandstone. It is a shale. Shale is used in making tiles and bricks. Once you go and check it about shale, you get the answer. Water, minerals, coal, and petroleum are underground natural resources, man-made resources, natural resources on Earth's surface, artificial resources. Are they underground natural resources, or man-made, or natural resources on Earth's surface, or artificial resources? Supreet,
Underground natural resources.
Amit, yes, Amit.
Ma'am, option
Option A. See the answer, students. Water, minerals, coal, and petroleum are underground natural resources. The limestone quarries were blasted, fossils were found in the different layers of the rocks. What type of stone is limestone? You know the limestone, types of the limestone. In which type of rock is it? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, or none of the above? Sujana, Sanjana,
Option B, sedimentary rock.
Option B, sedimentary rock.
and B,
Sedimentary rock.
Sedimentary rock.
Okay, limestone is a sedimentary rock. Which of the layers shown in the figure contains humus? You may learn in the fourth standard science. Humus. You know, layer A, B, C, D are there. In the soil, so you know, in which part containing humus?
Ma'am, eighth one. Ma'am, option B, only layer B.
You can see on
No,
the
ma'am, option A.
option A. You know that when you
Yes, ma'am.
so take a glass of water and put a soil in there. Okay, you can see where you can see and which part you can see the humus in that upper part of the water, right? So just you check the answer. Okay. So upper part means layer A is called the topsoil. So it contains humus. Why is it important to protect soil?
Shall I tell, ma'am?
Who is that? Shalini.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute. I'll ask you. Alok. Yes, Alok.
Hello, miss.
Yes, tell me that why is it important to protect soil?
Option B, it has nutrients used by plants to grow.
Okay, soil has nutrients used by plants to grow, right? So whenever the plants, if you want to need grow a plant, we need soil. Okay, the soil containing nutrients which the plants needs to grow. Next, watering, wearing out and carrying away of the withered particles of the topsoil by natural forces like the sun, wind, and running water is called. You know that wearing out and means upper layer of the soil, which will be having the nutrients. So, which will be wearing out means when the rain falls, heavy rain falls, okay, the water flow on the land. So the top layer of the soil flows in the water, right? In that time, the soil loses nutrients, okay, fertilization. So this process we call it as. It may be forces like the sun, wind, and running water also. Wind also, when it will be wind, the upper layer of the soil flies, right? Due to the sun light absorbs some minerals. So what happens by this? Plantation, soil erosion, terrace forming, or embankment. So embankment will not come in this. Just think about the plantation or soil erosion. What do you think about this, Sujana?
Ma'am, no soil erosion, ma'am. Option B, soil erosion.
Option B, soil erosion.
Option B.
Erosion. Option B is soil erosion. The rocks formed due to the physical and chemical changes are called. This can be formed only the physical and chemical changes. Aishwarya, Shiva Prasad, Sai.
Metamorphic rocks.
Ma'am, ये answer ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, answer है ma'am. Metamorphic rocks ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, option A, metamorphic rocks are formed due to the physical and chemical change of rocks. So which of the following is a lightweight igneous rocks? It will be lightweight. So pumice, basalt, slate, chalk, which you feel that it will be a lightweight. Amit?
Ma'am,
Option
option
A,
A,
ma'am.
pumice.
Hmm?
Option
Ma'am,
A,
option A, pumice.
Option A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, option A, pumice is lightweight rock and it can float on water. This question I have asked already. Which of the following statement is false? The topsoil is good for plant growth. Soil contains many living things. Erosion is good for soil. The topsoil contains humus. Deepak Kulkarni, please off your video. Yes. Yes, tell me. Virendra, Amit, is it Shiva Prasad?
Ma'am, erosion is good for soil ma'am.
erosion is good for
Ma'am,
soil.
option C ma'am.
Ma'am, option C, erosion.
Erosion means what? Do you know? What is it?
Ma'am,
ಸವಕಳಿ ಸವಿಯೋದು
ma'am,
ಮಣ್ಣು ಸವಿಯೋದು
ma'am, taking a soil from one place to another place is called soil erosion.
Okay. I'll see the answer. Okay. What you said that erosion is good for soil is a false, right? So erosion means what is it? It carries away top fertile soil. Okay, I'll complete this today's class. Tomorrow I'll ask more questions, students. Completed your homework yesterday, what I have given? Yes, Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
Sujana, have you completed yesterday's homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so complete your homework every day, whatever I give. And who is going to share the picture? See, don't share the picture, students.
You given simple machines lesson question answers.
Okay. So today you write the rocks and minerals question answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Rocks
Ma'am,
and
one day you asked which gas is used in tires of vehicles, ma'am. That is nitrogen.
Ma'am, that is nitrogen, ma'am.
nitrogen gas. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. You continue the homework. Question answers write rocks and minerals. Answer the following questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll continue my class.
Students, today I will take class social now. Told to 1 o'clock social, 1 to 2 maths. Wait here, within that a few minutes I will start the class. Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No,
Sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Doctor.
Sir. Sir, not hearing, sir.
Hey, question, sir. Speaker. I won't take math class now. I'll take social. Yeah. Hey, who is that? Who is sharing your screen? Who is sharing screenshot? Shreya. Now here we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is Revolt of 1857. Here I will send you out if you are trying to share the screen. Remember. Don't try to share the screen. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the participant third tier. Only if you are there here. Okay, let it be. Students, look at the headline, Revolt of 1857. Directly here, I am not going to tell you about the events of this revolt which took place in the 1857. Here, I am going to discuss here that issues which led Indians to engage in that revolt of 1857. Before going to discuss about that incidents of revolt 1857, let us understand here why British, French, Portuguese, Dutch, these came to India. In 1453, there was a war in that Turkey region. Ottoman Turks, they captured that Constantinople city, which was the gateway between the Asian countries and then European countries. Due to the reason of Asian countries and European countries, there was it is a gateway of the Asian and then European countries. In 1453, that Ottoman Turks, they captured the Constantinople, which was the gateway between the Asian countries and then European countries to carry on their trade business activities. Now here, by using that map, I am going to show you that way which they captured and also the way which they used to get into the India by using that sea or that ocean. Now here we will see that, hey, don't try to scratch the screen. Who told you to scratch? Don't have that sense here. Why we have been using this screen? To convey that social topic to you. I can simply teach here, but you cannot understand properly that where is Constantinople and then where is that way which they used to get into India, or to by using that they continued their trade and business activities with India way. This is the what? Earth. Azra Fatima. This is Earth, and now here I am going to show that way of Constantinople, which was the gateway between the gateway of European trade between Asia and then European continent. This is India here. You can see that here easily. And during that 15th century, the trade activities were practiced between the European and Asian countries by using the Constantinople way. Where is the Constantinople? These are all come under the Asian continent, and this is the European continent here. This is the European continent, which includes small countries. But Asian continent, it includes here even the small also, and then a big one here, like India, China, Russia, Australia, and others all there. Vaishnavi. Now, this is the word Constantinople here. Now here we are going to point out that Constantinople city, Amit, Pawan Kumar. Amit and Pawan Kumar, what are you doing, Lay? Concentrate here. Now by using the map, I am going to show that Constantinople. This is Turkey here. By using this way, the trade and business activities were running between the Asian continent and then European continent. Nowadays that Constantinople, Vedant, nowadays that Constantinople, it is recognized through the Istanbul. This was the way through which that trade it was running between the Europe and then Asian continent. But during that 1453 year, Turkey rulers, they captured that city and blocked the land trading way there. And later on also they started to impose more taxes on the goods and other materials which they were importing from the Asian continent. Because of that, the countries like here, European countries, Greece, Italy, Spain, Portugal, they didn't get more profit. Why they didn't get more profit? Because that Turkey rulers, they started to collect heavy taxes on that goods which were shifting from Asian continent to European continent by using that Constantinople way. And here this Spain, Portugal, and France, and Netherlands, Dutch here, and United Kingdom. These all countries were engaged in the trade and commerce between the India, Asian countries, and then European countries here. And while they captured that Constantinople, these all countries, they were trying to identify that new sea route to India to carry on their business activities. There were a great demand for that Indian materials, therefore they were trying to identify new sea routes. While they were engaged in the identification of new sea route to India, Portugal rulers, they succeeded to discover new sea route to India Bay. Portugal navigator Vasco da Gama, he succeeded. Before that Bartholomew Diaz, he had tried to identify, but he didn't get success. But Vasco da Gama, he got success. He started his journey from this Portugal, and now here I am going to show the way which they used. See here, this is the what sea route which they used to reach India. Once more. Vaishnavi. Okay, let it be here. It is not possible to point out here that I'm not able to point out that. Fatima, you are not cooperating with me here to show that video, therefore I won't show. Let it be here. This is the European that continent, and here that African continent is situated. Here Portuguese, they started a journey from this region through this country here and crossed that African continent. These all first in the beginning, Bartholomew Diaz, he tried to identify that new sea route to India, but he succeeded to reach only the southern tip of that South Africa here. And he called this tip here Cape of Storms, because this area is there are a lot of storms here. Because of that reasons here, maybe you would call that, or due to his failure to identify the new sea route to India, he called that Cape of Storms. But while Vasco da Gama he succeeded to cross this way and able to identify new sea route to India, then it was called through the Cape of Good Hope there. The way which that Bartholomew Dias he used to identify new sea route to India, he didn't get success there in which in that way there. But by using that way only, that Vasco da Gama he succeeded to identify new sea route to India and reached the Indian that place Calicut in the 1493 day, 98. In the year of 1498, he succeeded to discover the new sea route to India there. In which year? In the 1498. And later on, this European countries traders who belongs to that United Kingdom and even Portuguese also, even that Spain also there, and Netherlands, France, they used this sea route only to came to India there. How to carry on their business activities with India, they used the way which was discovered by or identified by that Vasco da Gama, who was the navigator of Portugal. And after reaching here, India, that Vasco da Gama, he took the permission from that Zamorin ruler to establish or to lay a foundation, a factory to run their trade activities. The ruler of that Zamorin, who was ruling the Calicut, he granted the permission to carry on to do that trade business activities. By taking permission from the Zamorin, they continue to carry on their business activities in India. And later also, one by one, that Europeans they came to India and settled their settlements in India here. First, we are going to here understand about that Portuguese. As we already know, this sea route, it was founded by or discovered by that Portuguese only with the help of that Vasco da Gama, and they took the permission from that Zamorin ruler who was ruling that Calicut and then Queda region. And later on also these Portuguese, by using their army, they succeeded to capture even the Goa also, and Chandranagar, Pondicherry, other that regions. In India, that Portuguese, they made Goa as their capital city and continued their all trading activities. And the next, the British also, they came to India. Here they made Calcutta as the capital center, or Calcutta, Mumbai, and then Chennai. These are three important places there, and continued the activities. And next time the Dutch and French also arrived to India. Here the Portuguese and British, they were also laid foundation to their settlements. And while they were practicing their trade activities in India, closely they observed the political anarchy which was present in India there. While they were engaged in their business activities, they have been observing the political anarchy of India. And later on also, they have taken misuse of that. Hello? Can you hear me? Just again, who is that? I'll remove from the group. Don't try to share the screen. Sanjana, what happened?
Sir, question answers of natural dissertation.
That I will send afternoon the question answers.
Okay, sir.
Now let me to teach here regarding this lesson here. Don't try to share or scratch the screen. Others, let the others, those who would like to attend the class or to have knowledge regarding that advent of Europeans or that revolt of 1857 there. Why are you disturbing me? If you don't want to attend the class, you can go out there, log out. Okay. And later onwards, the Europeans, they shown their more interest to interfere in the internal issues of Indians. How did they get that chance to interfere in the internal issues of Indians? Because there are a lot of conspiracies were running in the rulers' palace against the ruler, and they were fighting each other in India. The princely states or Indian rulers, those who were ruling in the 15, 16, 17th century era, 15 to 16, that all they were engaged in that battle each other to extend their territory. These all internal clashes and their negligence toward the strengthening of their power in India, they allowed that foreigners to settle in India here and later on to interfere in the Indian administration. And later onwards, by using their power and also finance, by doing the corruption here, over the period of time, by practicing their own policies to capture Indian territories, they succeeded to have that all authority in their hands. Even like Indians, how they were fighting each other to extend their territory, like that, the foreigners, they were also fighting each other. Even British also, Portuguese also, French also, Dutch also there. But Portuguese, Dutch, these were withdrawn their role from India because they focused on the other reasons. But in India here, the clash between the French and then British, it was continued. And in this war also, that British, they succeeded to defeat the French there and hold finally all authority in their hand. And after getting all that power in their hand, they didn't sit silently. They had tried to capture that all princely states of India and exploit the Indians to collect huge wealth by implementing their own policies like here Raitwari system. It means directly farmers had to pay tax to the British government, and zamindari system, landlords, bhumiya ಒಂದು ಮಾಲೀಕರು, they were collecting from the cultivators, it means farmers, and submitted the tax to the British government. And next, that is Mahalwari system here. Group of members, so they were maintaining the all activities of village and they were collecting a tax from the farmers and submitting to the British government here. And also through the subsidiary alliance, Sahayaka Saina Paddhati, doctrine of labs, Dattu Makkalige Hakkilla ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ. These are the what their policies which they used to capture or to exploit the Indians. By using these all over the period of time, they succeeded to have control over India and by send out their all rivalries, their enemies like here, Dutch also, French also, and then the Portuguese. And finally, they hold entire power in their hand with the help of that Battle of Buxa, Battle of Plassey, Carnatic Wars, and other that Anglo-Indian, Anglo-Mysore Wars, Anglo-Sikh Wars. Over the period of time here, they succeeded to defeat even that native Indian rulers also there by using the army of there and even the support of Indians there. And whatever policies they used on Indians to exploit them, that all were led to the revolt of 1857. The causes of this 1857 are recognized as political causes, administrative causes, religious causes, and economical causes here. There were political causes also, there were administrative causes also, and economical causes are also there. Due to the reason of these all, the native Indians together, few places here, few places the native Indians are together, they raise their voice, and that incident in which that few Indian freedom fighters and also that kings, those were showing their loyalty towards India, they succeeded to launch the 1857 revolt. They didn't get success here, but they succeeded to create awareness among the people to defeat that Indians or to gain success against that British there. To gain success against that British. Here, one by one, we'll discuss regarding their political causes, economical, religious, and other issues in the next class. So far in this class, we discussed about how that Europeans they came to India and what incidents they led them to enter into India there. First one, before the capture of that Constantinople, they were engaged in the trade and business activities, but that incident it encouraged them to identify, to discover new sea route to India, and later on also remaining all that Europeans they followed that sea route. Which one? Crossing that South Africa, they reached India there. Here, which Europeans they entered or they came to India to run their administration? Even the Portuguese also they came, even the French also, even the British also there, even the people of the Dutch, it means Netherlands. How they entered into India? How did they got a chance to enter into India here? With the help of that sea route which was discovered by Vasco da Gama here. And after entering to India here, they took the permission from native rulers and established their trade centers. Portuguese, they established their trade centers in the Pondicherry, in the Goa also, in Calicut, Salsette, Bussin, in these regions. And British, they settled their trading centers in the Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, and other regions. Even the others were also they followed these foreign rulers like here on the British also and Portuguese also. Even Dutch also established their trading centers. In the French also they established their trading centers. And later onwards, while they were practicing their trade and business activities, they closely understood the situation of Indian political anarchy there. They closely understood the political situation of India and started to show their nose in the issues of native Indians. It means started to interfere in the issues of Indians here. And over the period of time, by using their influence, by using their army, by using their variety of the different policies here, they captured almost all Indian territories under their control and then started to exploit Indians by collecting huge taxes, by keeping lot of restrictions on their activities, by selling their manufactured goods in India. Through the other these all ways, they nearly ruled India 200 years, and whatever the policies they were using or the restrictions they were imposing on the Indians, implementing the Indians here, on the Indians in India, these all led Indians or encouraged the Indians here to fight against the British supremacy in India. They started to fight against the British and formed their own groups and fought in the that 1857. There were a lot of causes due to the failure of that 1857. Maybe that it was not spread across the country, lack of that training skills, lack of that organizing ability, and lack of that superior weapons, lack of that proper communication between the army and leaders. These all didn't bring here success to Indians. Even though here it has in fact it implemented or it influenced deep impact on the Indians. Even though it was failed, it succeeded to create awareness, nationality among the about the India, nationalism, loyalty toward the country, and other issues in the Indians' mind. Regarding that remaining issues, that we will discuss tomorrow day. Have understood this all? Hello? Pujari, what is your doubt? Hello, others? Have understood clearly? Saibam, what is your doubt? I can't hear your voice. ಧ್ವನಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. Okay, students, with this here I will conclude this class. Remaining all we will discuss tomorrow day, the next class. Thank you so much to all. Bye. Sir, Badiger sir, they will take next class of maths.
Okay, sir.
Don't exit, attend that class also.
Okay.
And then I will remove you from the Ayan Nadaf. Here I am going to remove you from the group here, from the class. Then where is that Shishir Chandra? Shishir Chandra, go and have lunch there. Next, who want to scratch the skin? Scratch now. Here I have been observing your activities. Who will try to sketch a screen here? Remember, if I identify, I will remove you from the group. DJ, go and have lunch there. Next, try there. Who would like to get an opportunity to scratch the screen and sketch now? Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
Morning,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir. Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Afternoon. Yes. Now, good afternoon. I will take class. Students, we are in, let us practice 11.4. Okay. We shall complete that exercise, then we shall go to temperature, measurement of temperature. Okay. Exercise, let us practice exercise. Let us practice 11.4. Page number 157. Page number 157. Open page number 157. So, in this, some examples I had left. Sanjana, what is your doubt? Where is Sanjana? Sanjana, what is your doubt? You have raised hand.
Sir, I not understood. Add the following problem.
Problem number 9 not understood. I'll explain. Okay. First means add the following. Add the following. Question number I. I is 7 weeks. 7 weeks. 5 days. And 5 weeks. 5 weeks. 10 days. We should add these two in first main. So how to add these two? See here. First you write weeks. And here days. How many weeks? 7 weeks. 5 days. Then 5 weeks. 10 days. Okay. Add this. Here add. 5 plus 10, 15 days. Here 7 plus 5, 12 weeks. Sanjana.
Sir,
15 days is how many weeks? 2 weeks equal to how many days?
14 days.
14 days, no? I'll
Yes, sir.
14 days from here. I'll take 14 days from this side. 14 days I took, only 1 day. 14 days equal to how many weeks?
2 weeks.
That 2 weeks I'll add here. 14 weeks, 1 day. Understood or not understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, very good. First main, any of you are having doubts, you can ask me, I'll explain. Raise your hand if you have doubts in first main. Any of you are having a doubt in first main, raise your hand, I will explain that. Otherwise, I will go to second main. Okay, no one is having doubt. What about second main? In second main, Sanjana, we have solved examples, some I had given work.
Yes, sir.
Which example you are having doubt in second main?
Sorry.
A1. A1 I had explained, no? We'll do again, no problem. We'll do again. Problem number A, you are having doubt. Sanjana, you switch off your radio. I will explain that. Sanjana is asking second main, that is subtract the following. Subtract the following. First one, A, 2 days, 12 hours from 4 days, 20 hours. It's very simple it is. First you write days one column and hours one column. Okay, this is your answer. Here 2 days. No, from 4 days we should cut. 4 days, 20 hours. From this, we should subtract 2 days, 12 hours. In this example, we don't need any borrow. Here, 2 you cancel, it became 1. This became 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. It is 8 hours. 4 minus 2 is 2 hours. 2 hours, that is 2 days, 8 hours is the answer. Any doubt is there, Sanjana? Okay, next who is having doubt in this main? Some examples we have solved these kind. Yes. Tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, I am not understood D1, sir. Subtract the following D1.
B1. All we should tell once again. Then question I'll not write, only answer I'll write. So 8 days, 12 hours from 15 days.
D1 not, sir. D1, sir.
B or C?
Sir, D.
D. Okay, D. D is from 24 hours. You write hours and minutes. Hours and minutes. So it is 24 hours, 00 minutes. From this, you should subtract 9 hours, 50 minutes. Okay? Now, here, from 00 minutes, 50 minutes, we cannot subtract. I'll cut this. This becomes 23. Okay? Here I'll take 1 hour. I'll take this here. I'll put here. 1 hour I'll take 60 minutes. I'll put here. 1 hour means 60 minutes, no?
Yes, sir.
So I'll take 1 hour from here. I'll put that 60 minutes here. 60 minutes and 1 hour both are same. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. This side 23 minus 9 you should do. Again you have to cut this 2. Again you have to cut this 2. Make it 1, make it 13. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4. Okay. And this is 1. It became 14 hours.
Hours.
10. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
You understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, Bhagyasri Sahiban, tell me.
Sir, Jeet one, sir.
Jeet, na? Okay, Jeet. Then Shreya,
Sir, fifth one.
fifth one. Okay, I'll come there. In before that, A to J are there? No, any doubt is there? You tell me. Okay, wait then. Question number Z. Bhagyasri Sahiban has asked question number Z. So we shall solve G question number Z. What is the question? Is day. Days are given and then hours are given. So what is given? 9 days, 1 hour is given. From this, you should subtract 7 days, 4 hours. Okay. Bhagyasri, you should tell me. In one day, how many hours are there?
16 hours, sir.
One ದಿವಸನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು hours ಇರ್ತಾವ? One day ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು hours? ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ 24 hours. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಡೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ನೈಟು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಡೇ ಕೂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಡೇ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. 24 hours. So one day is 24 hours. Understood or not? Bhagyasri, you should tell me. Ask the question means you should tell me answer. One day is 24 hours. Bhagyasri, from here I'll take one day. I'll make this 9, 8. I took one day. I'll add that day here. 24 hours. One day is 24 hours. So I took one day from here. I am adding this. It became 25 hours. From 25 hours, 4 hours you remove. How much is remaining? 21 is remaining. Here 8 minus 7 is 1. So one day 21 hours. You understood or not? Any other doubt, students? No doubt? Okay, then I'll go to next question. Next question is the similar question. Some questions I have left. You want me some more questions I'll solve? Okay. Question number 3 I'll go. Question number 3 is what time will it be? What time will it be? 2 hours, 40 minutes, 2 hours, 40 minutes, 2 hours, 40 minutes after 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. What will be 2 hours, 40 minutes after 6:30 p.m.? Okay. Okay, this we should do like this. First, we shall convert to 24 hours time. This such 6:30 p.m. is there now? 6:30 p.m. equal to 24 hours. If you change, it will be to 6. We should add 12. this much it will come. Means it becomes 1830. 1830 hours. 1830 hours means what? Means 18 hours 30 minutes. 18 hours 30 minutes. So what is told here? What time will it be? 2 hours 40 minutes after 6:30 p.m. Means we should add this. Therefore, what we shall do? Hours and minutes we shall write. Hours and minutes. Here it is 18 hours 30 minutes. After 18 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes. Means you should add 2 hours 40 minutes. Add this. What happened? 0, 3, 4, 7, 18 plus 2, 20. Here 70 minutes has come. We know 60 minutes is 1 hour. I'll remove 60 minutes from here. This became 10. Then I'll add 1 hour here. 60 minutes I removed. 10 minutes is remaining. 60 minutes means 1 hour. That I'll add here. This became 21 hours 10 minutes. 21 hours 10 minutes. But they have given the time in PM and AM. Again we should convert this time to what? PM and AM. This is equal to how much? Therefore, what we have to do? We have to write it is 21 hours 10 minutes. 21 hours 10 minutes equal to what you should do? We will write this way. This is 21 hours 10 minutes. This becomes after 12. If it is more than 12, if hours is more than 12, you should subtract 12 from this. So 21 minus 12, if you do, it became 9. So this becomes 9 hours 10 what? PM or AM? That is PM. This much is it. Write this, students. You understood, students? How many of you understood? How many of you understood this question? Only this much students understood. What about others? Here, 6:30 p.m. and raised to evening 6 o'clock, 6:30. Evening 6:30 ನಾನು ಹೌದಾ 24 hour ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ 12 ಆದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಅವರ್ ಅದ 12 ಆದಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 12 ಆದಿಂದ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಓಕೆ ಸೊ 12 ಆದಿಂದ ಈ 6 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 12 ಆದಿಂದ 13 14 15 16 17 18 ಆಯ್ತು 18 ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 30 18 hours 30 minutes ಆಯ್ತು. So you write 18 hours 30 minutes. So you should add this 2 hours 40 minutes. You add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 70 minutes ಬಂತ 70 minutes ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 hours ಬಂತು 70 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 hour 10 minutes ಆಗ್ತದ ಆ 1 hour ತಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂರಿಸಬೇಕು 21 ಆಯ್ತು 21 10 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 21 hours 10 minutes ಆಯ್ತು 21 hours 10 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 10 PM ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Now go to fourth main. Fourth main question. What time was 2 hours before 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. Okay, before means you should minus what time was 2 hours before. So answer is, first we shall convert 2:30 p.m. to what? 12 hours. So 2:30 p.m. is 2 plus 12 hours. This much. It is 14 hours 30. You can write it as 14 hours 30 minutes. Now we shall subtract. Therefore, we make write like this column hours and minutes. Hours is 14 hours 30 minutes. How many hours before? 2 hours before. So 2 hours before means minus 2. This side 0, 0. So 30 remains. Minus 2 means 12. It became 12 hours 30 minutes. 12 hours 30 minutes is what? Therefore, it is 12 hours 30 minutes. 12 hours 30 minutes is means it is afternoon 12. 12 hours 30 minutes is nothing but 12:30 p.m. Write the next question. Next question. Next question is, question number 5. Find the interval. Find the interval between. Find the interval between 8:25 a.m. and 4:10 p.m. Interval means a gap. What is the gap between these two timings? So first we shall convert to hours and minutes. What is 8:25 a.m.? 8:25 a.m. 8:25 a.m. is 08 hours and 25 this much hours. This is nothing but 08 hours 25 minutes. Then 4:10 p.m. you convert to hours and minutes. So this becomes 4 plus 12, then 10. This much hours. Okay, so this becomes 4, 16, 10 hours. We write like this. So this is nothing but 16 hours, 10 minutes. Now interval they are asking. From this you should subtract this one. It is hours. So write one column hours, another column minutes. How many hours? 16 hours. 10 minutes. From this you should subtract 8 hours, 25 minutes. So you cannot subtract 25 from 10. So take borrow. I'll take borrow from here. 16 became 15. One hour I took. This 1 hour I'll add 60 minutes here. So or directly you write here 60 minutes we are adding. So 10 plus 60 plus 10 becomes altogether 70 directly I'll write. This I'll cancel. From here I took 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. That 60 minutes and this 10 minutes together 70 minutes. Subtract now. So 70 minus 25 you do. It becomes 5. Then here you cancel 10. 6 minus 2. 4. This side 15 minus 8 is 7. Becomes 7 hours 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes. So time interval is therefore time interval is equal to what? 7 hours 45 minutes. Seven hours 45 minutes. Question number 6. Question number 6 is what time will it be 6 hours 20 minutes 6 hours 20 minutes after 11:30 a.m. after 11:30 a.m. First a.m. we shall convert to hours and minutes. Answer 11:30 a.m. is nothing but 11 hours 30 minutes. That is this much hours. We write or we write this as 11 hours 30 minutes. 11 hours 30 minutes. Yellow hours 30 minutes. It is 11 hours 30 minutes. Now what time will it be 6 hours 20 minutes after this? So therefore we should make 2 columns hours and minutes. How many hours? 11:30 means 11 hours, then 30 minutes, plus we should add 6 hours, 20 minutes, Add this. So this became 50. This became 17. Now 17, 17, 1750 or 1750. We can write like this. 17 or 50 minutes equal to, we mention like this, 17 minus 12, then 50. 17 minus 12 is 5, is 5:50 p.m. Pawan Kumar, tell me.
Yes, sir.
You want to say something? You have raised hand. What do you want to say? Hmm? You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Chaitra and Aishwarya.
Sir, this one not understood, sir.
Not understood? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll tell them.
Yes, sir.
Time will it be 6 hours 20 minutes after 11:30 a.m.?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
You understood or not understood?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes sir, no sir means what?
Sir, Aishwarya telling sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes for what? Understood or not understood?
Sir, not understood, sir.
Okay, then wait. What time will it be? 6 hours 20 minutes after 11:30 a.m.
Yes, sir.
11:30. Okay. Morning 11:30 a.m. means morning 11:30. Okay. After 11:30, 6 hours after 11:30. First mental calculation we shall do.
Yes, sir.
11:30, see here, 6 hours. 11, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Okay. And extra 5:30 plus 20, 5:50 p.m. Mental
Yes, sir.
mental calculation you do first. 11:30 is there no? After 11:30, 12, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, and 5:30. 6 hours or 5:30. Extra 20 minutes is there add. 5:50
Yes,
will. Don't disturb, listen here. 11:30 a.m. means what? 11 hours 30. 11 hours 30 is 11 minutes. So to 11 hours 30 minutes, we should add this after means 6 hour 20. It became 17:50. 17 hours in 24-hour clock, we write 17:50, but they have given in 12-hour clock. So again you should convert. 17 hour 50 minutes is nothing but you should subtract 12, then it becomes 5:50 p.m. You understood or not? Understood? Okay. Next question. Write the next question, all of you. Who want to answer the next question? Raise your hand. Who want to answer? Next question. Who want to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Sanjana, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question is Rahul goes to bed at 9:45 p.m. and gets up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. How long does he sleep? How will you solve this? Wait, I'll write question also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, everybody should understand. So first we shall write question also. Rahul goes to bed at 9:45 p.m. and gets up at 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. in the morning. How long does he sleep? How long does he sleep? We shall write sentence also. So, answer. Time at which Rahul gets up is 6:30 a.m. Correct? 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. is what? In 24-hour clock, it is 6 hours.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. There times at which Rahul sleeps.
9:45 p.m.
5 p.m. So this is how much? Add 12.
9 plus 12.
9 plus 12 is how much? 21. 21 or
21 hours 45 minutes.
45 minutes. So they are asking how much time does he sleep? How long does he sleep? Difference between these two.
Sir, minus
Minus.
21 hours 45 minutes from 6 hours 30 minutes.
Okay. Mental calculation also you can do first. What is that? At what time 9:45 he sleeps? 9:45, 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, 1:45, 3:45. No. 9:45, 10:45, 11:45, 12:45, 1:45, 2:45, then 3:45, 5:45, 4:45, 5:45, 6:45. Okay. How many hours? Minimum it will be 9 hours. So calculation exactly we shall do. 21 hours, 45 minutes From this, if we subtract 6 hours, 30 minutes, what do you get? Here it is 5, it is 1. Here 21 minus 6, 21 minus 6, 11 minus 6, 5, 1. 15.
1.
Yeah.
15 hours, 15 minutes.
15 hours he will sleep. 9:45 to 9:45. 6:30 to 6:30 is 12 hours. So he sleeps more. It is not correct, students. Wait. This is not correct. Wait for 1 minute. So this is not correct. Actually 6:30 from evening 9:45 p.m. from here to here he sleeps. Okay. So here this is 6:30 hours. Actually, we have to count here. Who want to answer this? That answer was not correct. That was wrong. Okay. This question I'll give you homework. Try this. Okay, students. You try.
Okay, sir.
7th one.
We're not understanding this.
That's what. Try that. If not
I'm not understanding this, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಂತ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ